Okay, check this out, folks. Yeah, pure pineapple. No sugars, no extra chemicals, pure pineapple. This is going to be atomic. Okay, got the crock pot at. And we know what'll be going in next. Okay, first, gonna pour, so I can do this correctly without causing a disaster. Pour some puree first. Oh yeah, here we go. Don't want to make too much of a mess. Oh yeah. And one fact I use for the ham, I eat this as is, no lie. Okay, I got it spread down here. I'll start with the biggest piece of ham, which is this guy. So I can spread the rest in it. Let me see. It should fit.